In front of me is VIVO V40 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Shortcuts and Accessibility over here. Now you need to scroll down to tap on one-handed and tap on gray switcher next to Access Mini Screen using gestures to enable this option. Then follow this instruction to activate it. You can bring the mini screen out by sliding inward from the edge of the screen and then sliding out of the screen. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To manage it, use this icon of a crossed square at the top left corner and hold those dots. This way you can move it around and scale it. To go back to standard size screen, click on this X at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!